Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing a stunning piece of art. The hand-blown glass decor, a Murano-style glass sculpture that brings a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Meticulously hand-blown by skilled artisans, this unique sculpture features an intricate red design, with each piece exhibiting subtle variations, ensuring that no two are exactly alike. Its vibrant red hues make it an ideal decorative accent, perfect for adding a splash of color to your living room, office, or bedroom, enhancing both modern and classic interiors. To truly appreciate its beauty, display it with backlighting or in well-lit areas, where the glass's natural ability to reflect and refract light transforms it into a captivating focal point. Crafted from high-quality glass, this sculpture offers a solid, heavyweight feel, making it perfect for prominent display locations like coffee tables and mantelpieces. Thoughtfully designed, this glass figurine makes a distinguished gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or housewarmings, sure to be appreciated by art enthusiasts and those with a taste for elegant home decor. So, whether you're looking to elevate your own space or searching for the perfect gift, this exquisite glass sculpture is a timeless choice that embodies refined craftsmanship and artistic beauty. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.